Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Wakakadash. Double honors to the elders for preaching this word truthfully and sincerely. And Shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And I say Shalom to you Akim out there. And this is a recent news article from World News. This is by Guardian staff and agencies as of January 29th, 2023 on a Sunday. And it reads, drone attack hits Iran's ammunition factory reports. It says blast recorded with Defense Ministry reporting minor damage. Background of tensions over nuclear pact and arms for Russia. And this is the aerial map of the locator map for Iran with its capital Tehran. And it says the drone had been used to attack military plant in Iran, with Iranian news agencies reporting that a loud blast and showing a flash of light at what was to be a ammunition factory. Emergency vehicles, fire trucks were shown at the plant in central Istafa now, if I pronounced that right. Providence when it comes amid tensions over Iran's nuclear program, right? Because I believe you had a UN watchdog over the nuclear plant over there. As you see, an Iran nuclear capability, the uranium of their nuclear capability, last time was reported as of last year. I believe their developing of their nuclear capability was a 60 to 70% of uranium of a nuclear capability. Last time I checked, it says, we're continuing on with the reading. I just want to add a note to that. It says it comes amending tensions over Iran's nuclear program, as well as the supply of Shahed drones to Russia has been used in the war against Ukraine. And it says some reports say several facilities were hit around Iran within a period of few hours. The Guardian was unable to confirm those reports, but Iran's IRNA news agency report a fire at a oil refinery in the northern city of Tabriz, saying one person was injured, and did not say what caused the fire or if it was related to the incident in Isfahani, if I pronounced that right, Salakia. It says Iran Defense Ministry claimed the drone attack was unsuccessful, with one drone shot down by air defense and two blowing up when they were caught in Defiance trap. There was a minor damage to the workshop roof. And it says the deputy governor of Isfahan Providence, Mohammed Raza Jan Nassari, said on television there have been no casualties for the attack. They're adding that the cause of the incident is under investigation. Authorities did not elaborate on the activities at the target site north of the city of Ishahan. And it says Iran have several known nuclear research sites in the region, including an uranium conversion plant. There have been a number of explosions and fires around the Iranian military, nuclear, and industrial facilities in the past few years. In July, Iran said it has arrested a sabotage team making up of Kurdish militants working for Israel who plans to blow up a sensitive defense industry central in ISFAHAN. And it says Israel has long threatened military action against Iran if indirect talks between Washington and Tehran fail to sabotage in 2015 nuclear pact. Israel says Iran is seeking to develop nuclear weapons. And it says Tehran denies this. Slovakia. So yeah, this was just a little quick news report of the incident. News broke out not too long ago about this incident right here of a 2 or 3 drone attacks. I believe 2 of them were shot down, and one of them was a minor to their facility, I believe. As I read it again from World News from the Guardian staff and agencies as of January 29th, 2023 on the Sunday, as it says, drone attack hits Iran's ammunition factory reports, So with that, hopefully this news article was edifying of the added notes that I added with it as well too, while at the same time you still have Iran has developed their nuclear capability, and as I was reading through the article, they had a previous encounter when it comes to their security plant is coming under threat, or their nuclear pact, or the increase of their nuclear uranium as well too. So they've been having previous threats to their nuclear plant and their nuclear facility. What's been going on quite some time now for the past few years, as I was reading on through the news article, because then at the same time you already have the tensions increasing between Iran and Israel, But I believe this is probably just this little minor incident had happened of a drone attack trying to target the factory, the nuclear plant over there in Iran. So as I read it again from the World News, alternative world news around the world, as you see the latest news right here as a drone attack hits Iran's ammunition factory as a report. So with that, once again, I hope this news article was edifying. And I would like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Wakakadash. Double honors to the elders for preaching this word truthfully and sincerely, and shalom to the Aki, scattered to the 4 corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And until next time, I will say shalom.